Hi.
Hi.
Good morning. You look happy today.
Good morning. Yes, it is a good morning.
How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine. Ready for a busy day.
Me too.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, not too hot, not too cold.
Are you going this way?
Yes, I'm going to school.
I am going to the market.
Oh, same road then.
Let's cross the road together.
Good idea. Safety first.
This is the crosswalk.
Yes, my teacher says always use the crosswalk.
Wait, stop.
Oh, what happened?
The light is red.
Okay, red means stop.
Now it is green.
Green means go.
Look left and right.
I am looking. No cars.
Walk slowly, no running.
Don't worry, I am not late today.
Be careful.
Always. My mom says that too.
We crossed the road safely.
Yes, good teamwork.
This crosswalk makes life easy.
Yes, and safe.
Okay, I will go now.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Have a great day.
You too. Stay safe. Bye.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Can you tell me the time, please?
Yes, of course. It is 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, thank you. Is it morning now?
Yes, it is morning.
I have an English class today.
What time is your class?
My class is at 9:30.
You still have time.
That's good. I am not late.
Yes, you are early.
I like to be early.
Me too. It feels good.
Do you come here every day?
Yes, I come here every morning.
What time do you usually come?
I come at 9 o'clock.
My phone battery is dead.
Oh, that happens sometimes.
Can you tell me the time again, please?
Sure. Now it is 9:10.
9:10, perfect.
Yes, you have plenty of time.
Do you have any classes after this?
Yes, I have math at 10.
Oh, I am not good at math.
Me too sometimes.
Do you drink coffee before class?
Yes, it helps me wake up.
I need coffee too.
Then let's find a small cafe after class.
That's a good idea.
Yes, we can practice English while we drink coffee.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Excuse me,
Yes?
can we sit here, please?
Of course. This table is free.
Thank you. The menu looks good.
Yes, I like it too.
Excuse me, can I ask something?
Sure. What is it?
I want to order food.
Okay, what do you want?
I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
That sounds good.
And can I have some salad with it?
Yes, we have fresh salad.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, can I also have a glass of water?
Of course, water is free.
Great. And can I have a little more sauce for the chicken?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Grace, this restaurant is nice.
Yes, the food is very fresh and tasty.
I am hungry. Can we eat now?
Yes, let's enjoy the food.
Excuse me, one last question.
Yes, James?
How long does it take for the food to come?
About 10 minutes. You can relax.
Perfect. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Can we order dessert after the sandwich?
Yes, I want some ice cream too.
That sounds delicious.
I love ice cream.
Okay, I will wait and enjoy the sandwich first.
Good idea.
Grace, maybe we can try the pasta next time.
Yes, that will be fun.
I'm excited.
Me too. I love trying new food.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
I want to buy some medicine.
Okay, what medicine do you need?
The doctor gave me a tablet.
Do you have the prescription?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check. This is a new tablet.
Oh, really?
Yes, it is good for pain.
That's good. How many tablets should I take?
Take one tablet in the morning.
One tablet only?
Yes, 1 tablet a day.
Should I take it after food?
Yes, take it after food.
Are there any side effects?
No, it is safe.
That's good to hear.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, can I have vitamins too?
Sure, these are good vitamins.
Okay, I will take them.
Fine.
How much is it?
It is $10.
Here you go.
Thank you.
When will I feel better?
You will feel better in 2 days.
Should I drink more water?
Yes, drink plenty of water.
Okay, I will follow the advice.
That's good.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Take care.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Hi.
Hi.
Did you watch a movie yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Really? What movie did you watch?
I watched an action movie.
Oh, was it good?
Yes, it was very good.
Who was your favorite actor?
I liked the hero. He was very brave.
Nice. Was the movie funny?
Yes, some parts were funny.
Was it long?
No, it was not very long.
Did you watch it at home or in the cinema?
I watched it at home.
With your family?
Yes, with my family.
What did you like the most?
I liked the action scenes.
Were the scenes exciting?
Yes, they were very exciting.
Did the movie have music?
Yes, the music was nice.
Did you feel happy after the movie?
Yes, I felt happy and relaxed.
Did you eat snacks?
Yes, I ate popcorn.
Popcorn is perfect for movies.
Yes, I agree.
Would you watch this movie again?
Yes, I would watch it again.
Would you watch it with friends next time?
Yes, that would be fun.
Can you recommend it to me?
Yes, you should watch it.
Okay, I will watch it this weekend.
Great. Tell me how you like it.
Movies are fun after a long day.
Yes, they help us relax.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.